How is evidence authenticated in sample questions? Have you ever wondered how evidence is proven to be what it claims to be in a legal setting? Understanding this process is vital for law students, especially when tackling sample questions in evidence law. Authentication is the key step in ensuring that evidence can be admitted in court. The Federal Rule of Evidence 901 lays out the basic rule for authentication. It requires the party offering the evidence, known as the proponent, to provide enough proof that the item is genuine. This means they must demonstrate that the evidence is exactly what it claims to be. There are several methods to authenticate evidence. One common way is through the testimony of a witness with knowledge. If a witness has first-hand experience with the item, they can confirm its authenticity. For example, someone who took a photograph can testify that the image is indeed what it appears to be. Another method involves non-expert opinion about handwriting. A person familiar with someone's handwriting can testify that a particular writing matches that person's style. This can be crucial in cases involving signatures or written documents. Expert witnesses can also play a role in authentication. An expert or the judge or jury can compare the evidence to a known authentic sample. This method is often used for handwriting or signatures. Distinctive characteristics can also help in authentication. If an item has unique features, such as a specific logo or watermark, these can serve as identifying marks that make the item recognizable. Voice identification is another method. A witness who knows a person's voice can confirm that a recording or phone call features that individual. Circumstantial evidence can authenticate telephone conversations. For instance, if someone answers a call and identifies themselves, that can support the claim that they were on the line. Public records can be authenticated by showing they were properly recorded or came from an official source. Documents that are old or stored in a specific way can also be authenticated by demonstrating they have been around for a long time without raising suspicion. Some evidence is self-authenticating, meaning it does not need additional proof. Certified public records, official publications, and certain commercial papers fall into this category. In law school, when answering sample questions, students must identify the method of authentication used for a piece of evidence. They also need to explain whether the proponent has met the burden of authentication. This often involves analyzing witness testimony, expert comparisons, or distinctive characteristics. In essence, authenticating evidence is about providing enough proof to convince the court that the evidence is genuine. Law students should be well versed in the various methods of authentication and be ready to apply them to sample questions. This knowledge will help them determine if evidence is admissible in court.